Hello guys, today we can see how to screen record in laptop or PC. For the first, you need to go for settings and then directly go for gaming and then captures, and in captures you need to turn on the record what happened. Record length you can select 1 hour or 2 hour as your wish, and capture audio when recording the game. Turn on it, and video frame rate you can select to 30 fps as recommended. Video quality high or low as your wish you can select. And after that, keyboard press Windows and G at a time and this will appear. Here you can see audio captures and performance, etc. And you can mute or unmute the screen record. By pressing this you can screenshot the laptop, and by this you can screen record. Here you can see the screen recording is turned on. You can mute or unmute and stop the screen recording and go to see my captures. Here all the screen recorded will be stored.